column here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a plugin from cPanel. So first things, you need to log in on cPanel, then scroll down, charge on file manager. So I want to charge file manager. Oh, this one. Just click on, then go to public HTML, then go to WP content, then go to plugin option. Then you can see this type of plugin I have already installed on my website, so I want to add more on. You need to just click on this option, upload. Just click on upload, then select your file. Okay, I select this easy table of content. I downloaded this plugin from google.com for 100% free of cost. Okay, it's done. Now click on this menu, then you can see this is zip file, so I need to right now unzip. Just click on here, then click on extract, again click on extract. Okay, it's already work. Then just refresh this web page. Then you can see this is already added on my website, easy table of content. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.